We're gonna make it easy all in that inside. So it's so difficult. We're just being funny. So I like to toast my bread. And then if you like to put a little butter on it, you can. I put just a little tiny bit just to make it crunchy. And then I put, your choice of meat. But we got some turkey breast. So what I do, I kind of like my sandwiches more. I mean, in the summer, sure, the full sandwich is good. But during the winter, I like my sandwich warm. So once you got your toast ready, go ahead and put some mayonnaise on your toast. And then Jeremy likes extra mayonnaise. And I'm with extra mayonnaise for him. Like that. There you go. And then we're gonna throw ahead and put our cheese on them. Some good cheese. Then basically you just grab your meat and you put salad on there if you like. And you just like it plain like that. I want a little meat, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a little more meat and just put it on the side to warm up. And then I like some pickles on mine. I'm gonna start. Okay, so we're gonna put some pickles. And I like some jalapenos in mine too, because I like mine spicy. So we're gonna put a little more spice on them. There you go. And looks like my meat is ready and warm. I'm gonna add more on top of that. And then you're gonna put your bread. See how crunchy it looks? Ooh, this looks good. See? You're gonna turn it around. That looks fabulous. Voila! You got a warm, nice turkey breast sandwich. Hold on.